Organizing your Gmail account can be a bit overwhelming if you are new to some of the awesome features Google provides you in Gmail. This video will show you how to set up filters to more quickly organize your Gmail inbox and future incoming emails. Now, to create a filter, there's actually a couple of different ways you can do this. One is right here from your search box. Hit the drop down arrow, type in whatever parameters you want to create the filter based on. For example, you want to create a filter of all of the incoming emails that are from Google+. As you can see, as soon as I start typing, this right here lights up and we can create the filter from within the search. And you would then just click on this link here, fill in the rest of the blanks here that you want to have take place within this filter, and then click on Create Filter. But I'm not going to create a filter through the search box. I just want to point that out that you can in fact do that. Not what I would suggest, but you'll see the similarities in that particular method in other ways that I'm about to show you. Another way is you can open up an email, come on up here, click on More. Okay, let's refresh this here. Click on More, and then you can click on Filter Messages like these. Now, whenever you do this, Gmail will automatically populate one or more of these boxes here with what it thinks you want to create the filter based on. So it's up to you at this point to make any edits if you need to. So if in fact you didn't want it to be based on the from, instead you want it to be based on the subject or words that it does have or words that it doesn't have, then you can make that adjustment right now. And then you go ahead and click on Create Filter, add whatever other actions you want to take place within this filter, and you go to town. So let's say I want to create a filter for Google+ that every time I receive an email from Google+, it's automatically redirected to a label or folder titled Google+. It's marked as read, and it's not going to come into the inbox at all. It's going to go straight there. So let's go ahead and create that particular filter. Let's go ahead and delete that out of the search box here. Open this guy up. Come on back up here. Okay, let's go back here, refresh. Open that up, try this again, filter messages like this. Come on over here, create filter of this type, skip the inbox, mark it as read. Now actually let's not mark it as read, that way I'll know to, hey, go ahead and read it. But we want to apply the label Google+, which currently is not created, so we're going to go ahead and create it right here. Click on New Label. And if you want to create any sub-labels, you can do that right here. And here's our new Google+ label. And we also, let me see, I think that's basically it. If you also wanted to categorize it in one of the tabs, which I currently do not have enabled, but if you wanted to do that for these categories, you can go ahead and check that box, open that up, choose whichever one you want, and then click on Create Filter. Oh, and by the way, based on the information you provided in your filter, if there are current emails that you have in your Gmail account that match those parameters, they're going to be noted right here. And if you want whatever actions you've lined up here to take place in that filter to go ahead and take place with whatever Gmail has found for you, go ahead and check that box. Currently, Gmail has found 3 matching conversations, and I think there's only like 4 emails in my entire box. Anyway, but let's go ahead and do this. Create Filter. Filter was created, and of course, in most everything that you're doing in Gmail, you'll every now and then see this Learn More link. If you want to learn more, click on that link and it'll take you to the help section related to that particular action. You can see right here my Google+ label has now been populated. Open that up with those 3 conversations that it showed you. Now then, another way to create and manage your filters, come on over here to Settings, click on the Settings, come over here to Filters, and you'll see right here all the filters that you've created up to now will be listed right here, and we've only created the one. You can edit that or you can delete that. Now if you delete the filter, that does not affect any of the emails that have been set in that particular folder or label. You can even create new filters, import filters, or export. And that's going to bring to a close this video on creating filters in your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.